To make this piece, the artist created a background using a combination of studio acrylic mediums to build a textured surface. She used Studio Gloss Bindex to add texture to the surface of a Pebeo liquid art panel and Studio Modeling Paste to add dimensional effects. She then used Studio Acrylic Red Sand Texture Gel to add a grainy texture to the surface. This medium is also available in yellow, white, and black. After having allowed everything to dry, she moved on to the next steps. She began by pouring a coat of the Pearl Fantasy Moon color over the red sand gel to add a marbled effect to it. She then added a coat of Turquoise Fantasy Prism and proceeded to tilting the piece to manipulate the colors. She then applied a coat of Cobalt Blue Vitrail with a brush and coats of different Fantasy Moon colors over it. The artist is now adding Fantasy Moon colors over the blank areas to complete coloring the piece. The artist then proceeds to adding vitrail into the moon colors using a dropper and proceeds once again to tilting the piece. See how the colors self-manipulate and evolve into astonishing contrasting effects of varied textures. Note that this sequence is presented in an accelerated mode in order to help you understand how the paints react with each other over time.